Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and this tutorial will not gonna waste your time on your entire life because this iPhone feature will help you to manage your time. So here I will let you show you the way how to set the time limit of using the application on your iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just go open your settings, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you found this screen time, and then you just need to go click it. Now to set the time limits of the applications that you use is just go open this add limits right here, and now you just need to go click add limit, and you just need to decide what applications that you want to set the time limits for. So let's say you must be playing so often to social media, so you just need to go click it. If all of this media is you oftenly use for a long time, you just need to go pick the social media, means that you will choose all of applications on social media section. But then if there will be only specific part like Instagram and Telegram, so you just need to pick these two, and after that you just need to go click next. Now you just need to set how many time that you want to limit the using of the application. Let's say you want to limit them with 30 minutes. Okay, here, and then you just need to go click add. So after 30 minutes you playing those two applications, you will get the reminder that your time is limit and you need to stop playing this application. So that's the way how to set the time limit of application on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.